In true spirit of purpose of today's celebration, let us welcome on stage our prize winners. This is the time when we celebrate excellence, hard work and dedication. Today we recognize and honor the achievement of our brilliant students who have made us proud with their talent, perseverance and determination. I request Sri Makappa Anand to do the honors giving away the prizes for our children. We now begin with our prize distribution. Dear children, kindly come forward as their names is read called and receive your certificates and awards. We can call on children from class 1. Most interactive in class Lakshita L. Most disciplined Sharpesh TV. Subject topper Tamil Lavinas. Subject topper English Magalini SA and Vishwana D. Subject topper Max EVS and class topper Lavin S. Let us give these children a big round of applause. Welcome on stage our dear children from class 2. Most interactive in class Yugamitran S. Most disciplined Vegash TG. Subject topper Tamil Aradhana M. Subject topper English Aradhana M and Shirin Sarkar. Subject topper Max Aradhana M. Subject topper EVS Shirin Sarkar. Class topper Aradhana M. Come on audience, let us appreciate our children, clap for them. Now on stage our children from class 3. Most interactive in class Akash B. Most disciplined Lakshita K. Subject topper Tamil Andrea A and Jasmine Ahmad A. Subject topper English Andrea A. Subject topper Max Josie Magamad S. Subject topper Science Jonathan Magamad S and Rudresh SK. Subject topper Social and class topper Rudresh SK. Let us continue to clap for the children on stage. Get ready to congratulate children from class 4. Most interactive in class Rishit Kumar E. Most disciplined Divyashti M. Subject topper Tamil Pritilaya S. Subject topper English GIS. Subject topper Max Sujit Mitran SA. Subject topper Science and Social GIS. Class topper Sadhana T. Show these kids your love and happiness by clapping for them. Opening the stage for children from class 5. Most interactive in class Srinivas C. Most disciplined Sai Krish RD. Subject topper Tamil Vivekanandan KV. Subject topper English Ashika Ansari K. Subject topper Max Vivekanandan KV. Subject topper Science Vivekanandan KV. Subject topper Social and class topper Ashika Ansari K. Do not stop clapping for the shining stars on stage.
Next on stage from class 6, most interactive in class Arbajit R, most disciplined Harika A, subject topper Tamil, English, Maths, Science and class topper Vishwayan. Put your hands together for the lovely children on stage. Here are our children from class 7. Most interactive in class Jagida Yasin S, most disciplined Bhavastri R, subject topper Tamil Diya S and Madhurya B, subject topper English Diya S, subject topper Maths Diksha B, subject topper Science, Social and class topper Diya S. Parents, continue your clapping for these children on stage. From class 8 on stage, most interactive class Anand Kumar A, most disciplined Kaushik G, subject topper Tamil Priya TS, subject topper English Anand Kumar A, subject topper Max Anand Kumar A, subject topper Science Priya TS, subject topper Social Anand Kumar A, class topper Priya TS, public address maintenance Dikshit Singh J and Anand Kumar A. Here are our children from class 9 on stage. Most interactive in class Karthik Ganesh R. Most disciplined Hemalata B. Subject topper Tamil Bavadarni R. English, Soumya R. Subject topper, Maths, Science, Social, and class topper, Bhavatarni R. Public address maintenance, Riyash Roshan S. Here are our children from class 10. Most interactive in class, Nityasri S. Most disciplined, Arun Kumar M. Subject topper, Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social, and class topper, Sadhana B. Congratulations to all academic toppers.
This is the time of celebration. This is the time of celebration. We recognize not only academic excellence and talent, but also the heart and spirit that makes our school truly special. Among us, we have a group of extraordinary students who have gone above and beyond, volunteering their time and energy and to make a difference. These students embody the values we cherish: kindness, responsibility, and dedication to the peers and the community. These younger heroes have selflessly contributed to our school events, supported their fellow students, and upheld the spirit of service. We remind us all that true leadership begins with a willingness to serve. Vishwa M. Class 6, Rikeshi Raj SP Class 6, Ivanita K. Class 6, Nikita B. Class 7, Srinidhi S. Class 7, Dharani Yadav SP Class 7, Raghava G. Class 7, Monish Kumar R. Class 7, Srinisha K. Class 8, Dhanush R. Class 8, Lakshan R. Class 8, Divya B. Class 9, Shailaja B. Class 9, Karthik Ganesh R. Class 9. Special prizes. Giving the stage to our stars of the evening. These children are true reflection of the culture and values of Shivashakti for organizing everyday activities to special events. They have worked for not for their personal gain, but for the common good of all children. Welcome on stage, Best Volunteer of the Year 2024 to 25, Shinisha K. Class 8. Next on stage, the Assistant School People Leader of the Year 2024 to 25, Shinisha K. Class 8. Congratulations and many thanks for her immense support and contribution to the student body. Please congratulate and celebrate our School People Leader of the Year 2024 to 25. School People Leader is the greatest honor of the school community. This award is celebrating dedication, selflessness, hard work and commitment of Karthik Ganesh R. from class 9.
Every year, we bid farewell to a batch of students who leave behind not just memories but a legacy. Among them, there is always one student who stands out not just for academic excellence but for leadership, character, and positive impact they have made on the school community. It is now time to present the most prestigious recognition of the day, the Best Outgoing Student Award. This award is not just a recognition of marks or medals. It is a celebration of values, teamwork, humility, and consistent excellence across academic, school curricular activities and content. Please join us in congratulating Pavitra S. of Class 10, our Best Outgoing Student of the Year 2024. Academic excellence is the result of dedication, discipline, and an unyielding spirit to give one's best. Today, we are proud to honor a student who has achieved just that, the school topper in the board examination. This young achiever has not only made the school proud with outstanding academic performance, but has also set a shining example for others to follow. With a remarkable score of 490 out of 500, consistent hard work and a focused approach, Linesh S. has emerged as the topper of the year 2024. We are truly proud of your achievement and we are certain this is just the beginning of many more successes too. As we celebrate achievements of our students today, we also take a moment to honor the pillars of our institution. The dedicated staff members who have given their unwavering commitment and invaluable service to our school. The strength of any institution lies in its people, and at Siva Shakti, we are fortunate to have a team of educators and staff who go above and beyond every day. Today we express our heartfelt appreciation through the Service Awards, recognizing those who have completed milestone years of service with us. Some people walk into an institution and leave their mark not just in registers and reports, but in hearts and hallways. Today, we recognize one such person who has been with us through 20 years of learning, laughter, challenges and triumphs. Miss Dhanalakshmi has been a constant presence, guiding students, supporting colleagues and living the values that define Siva Shakti. Their journey is a story of quiet commitment and genuine care, and we are truly grateful. It is with deep respect and affection that we invite her to receive this token of our appreciation for 20 incredible years of service from July 2004 to April 2025. 10 years of dedicated service is no small feat. It reflects loyalty, perseverance and an unwavering commitment to the values of our institution. 10 years is over 2,000 mornings, lessons, laughter and learning. 10 years of giving your best to a place that's better because of you. Thank you for working with a smile, lifting spirits and helping the school run smoothly day after day. Please welcome Ms. Tiger Savi, celebrating completing 10 years of service from 2014 May to April 2025. Hearty congratulations to Ms. Mala Maheshwari. Congratulations on completing 10 years of service from 2014 May to April 2025. Every strong team is built on people who show up with heart and purpose. 5 years of service reflects a strong foundation of trust, effort and commitment. From lending a helping hand to lifting the mood, you have been a wonderful role model. Welcoming Ms. Jabamani. Congratulations on completing 5 years of service from 2019 May to April 2025. And congratulations on completing 5 years of service from 2019 May to April 2025.